Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways of using mint leaves for unstoppable hair growth and a leave-in conditioner for hair repair. So the 2 different ways of using mint leaves for hair growth and leave-in conditioner are blending and cooking. The first method I'm going to be showing you guys is blending. So the first ingredient you're going to need is mint leaves. The next item you're going to need is your blender. Now add your mint leaf into the blender. Mint leaves helps our hair to grow because its ability to stimulate increased blood flow to the scalp and hair roots, which promotes healthy hair follicles and longer, fuller hair. It's also amazing for dandruffs and any other scalp issues. Next ingredient you're going to need is cucumber. Now you're going to slice your cucumber into the blender. Next, add water to your ingredients so that the blending process will be easy. Then blend together. Next, I'm going to strain it to get rid of the bits. I'm not happy with the consistency. It's too thick. I want it a little bit watery, so I'm going to be using my wig cap to strain it again. When straining, you need to make sure your ingredient is a little bit watery. If it's too thick, then you will need to strain it again. That means some of the cucumber has gone in the ingredients and you don't want to have cucumber or mint leaves in your hair because it will take you hours and hours getting it off your hair. So if you find the mixture is too thick, then you can strain it again using a wig cap. This is how it looks. It looks perfect. This is the consistency I was looking for. Next, I'm going to add my 4 table teaspoons of homemade carrot oil. If you're interested in how I made this homemade carrot oil, the link will be in the description box. Then I'm also going to add my Jamaican castor oil. Then you're going to mix it all together. Next, you will need your spray bottle. Now you need to pour the mint leaf water into the spray bottle. This is how it looks. You can leave it as a leave-in conditioner if you want, but I know it's not everyone that like the smell of cucumber. So if you don't like the smell of cucumber, you can apply it to your hair before or after shampoo. Leave it for 45 minutes, then whisk it off. You can store this mint water for about a week in a cold place. So the second method I'm about to show you guys is the cooking method. So you will need a pot or a pan. Add water to the pot and allow it to boil for a few minutes. Once the water has boiled, add your mint leaf into the water. This mint leaf is very strong, so I'm not going to be adding much. Allow it to boil for 15 minutes. Do not boil it for more than 15 minutes because we don't want to kill all the nutrients in the mint leaves. We want to leave all the nutrients in the mint leaf into our hair. After 15 minutes, allow it to cool down. Once the mint leaf water cool down, you will need your spray bottle. Pour your mint leaf water into the spray bottle. Don't forget to add your mint leaves into the bottle as well. Next, I'm going to add my homemade carrot oil. You can apply this mint leaf water as a leave-in conditioner. Do not wash it off. And you can store it up to a week in a cold place. I'm going to mix it together. Then this is how it looks. So that is it for today's video. So that is it for today. I have shown you guys 2 ways of using mint leaves as a leave-in conditioner. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. Until next time guys, thank you again for watching. Bye.